Green coffee bean as a substance has been heralded as an absolute breakthrough in the world of diet products. Millions of people have already taken on the product as something that they can add to their daily exercise regime, and it has already been shown to have an impact. People are looking at green coffee bean extract for losing weight, and they are pretty much demanding it, with the product flying off the shelves worldwide. However, not everyone understands what this stuff is and how it works. In this article we will look at the details surrounding this product, and we'll be seeing just how much value the green coffee bean phenomenon can bring to people's lives. Green coffee beans are beans that have not been roasted. This means that they are not ready for use for the purpose of converting into coffee. In this clean and unsullied state they contain something rather special, that scientists are stating is responsible for losing weight. As green coffee beans they contain something called chlorogenic acid, which has a massive part to play into how the body deals with food once it has been taken into the mouth and into the digestive system. Chlorogenic acid actually slows down the release of glucose into the human body. It is this process that helps to promote weight loss. The reason why green coffee beans are so effective, according to scientists and researchers, is that roasting a coffee bean forces the chlorogenic acid out of the bean, and therefore removes the potential to slow that glucose down. Obviously, the green coffee beans have to be made more palatable for humans. They cannot just be eaten in their raw form. So suppliers are therefore converting the green coffee beans into a capsule that can be ingested by the consumer as part of their diet plan. The green coffee bean phenomenon is not all hype. Apparently it really works. The reason why the industry is so excited about it centers around one study that was carried out with green coffee beans and weight loss. The study was published in the influential medical journal Diabetes, Metabolic Syndrome and Obesity, and confirmed that green coffee bean does indeed promote weight loss. In this highly influential study, 8 men and 8 women were tested with the substance, with a view to ascertaining whether it actually did help them to lose any weight. There was a placebo effect too, so the study could be verified as being accurate. Each participant was given a high dose and then a low dose of the extract, to check the validity of the product. This was all undertaken over a long period of time, so the person's diet and lifestyle could be taken into account too. The extract was given to this group over 3 separate 6-week-long experiments. It was during these experiments that the researchers realized that they had an extract that was certainly proving to be somewhat effective in reducing the weight of the participants. Over the course of the experiment a fascinating result unfolded, with the researchers finding that, on average, participants lost more than 17 pounds in weight. This is obviously significant in many ways, but at the very least it shows that the extract can actively promote weight loss to a significant degree. And it also means that you can use coffee bean for weight loss as part of a diet and lifestyle plan that, overall, helps you to change your weight. In other words, it is a positive and effective part of your overall weight loss plan, alongside other elements such as exercise and correct diet. The best and most effective method for weight loss does depend on the individual, but follow these time-tested principles and you will see results. Click the links below to discover some effective resources to help you.